5 world news. But first, some vocabulary. Haven. Haven. A haven is a place of safety, peace, and refuge. I think refugio might be the word we could best use to translate haven. Bank on. BANKON. To bank on is a phrasal verb that means to count on or depend on something happening or someone doing something. Bank on is contar con in Spanish. Stock. STOCK. A stock is a share of a particular company. In other words, it represents the ownership of a fraction of a company. In Spanish, acción or valor. Worry. WARY. To be worried means to feel cautious and alert about possible dangers or problems. We can translate worry as cauteloso, atento, or desconfiado. Rally. RALLY. To rally means to bounce back from a setback, or to recover strength after a moment of weakness. Recuperarse o repuntar en español. All right, so here are 5 world news for May 1st, 2025. 1. Investor confidence in America may be fading as U.S. bonds sell off. Considered somewhat of a safe haven for investors amid market volatility, U.S. bonds are selling off at an alarming rate that is signaling fading confidence in the economy. 2. Canadians are banking on tax refunds amid staggering debt. As recession fears loom, a staggering number of Canadians say they are in financial debt, and many are banking on their tax refunds to pay that down, according to a recent poll. 3. United Health's stock drops over 22% for worst day since 1998. Most U.S. stocks climbed Thursday, but the worst drop for United Health Group in a quarter of a century on the Dow Jones kept Wall Street in check. 4. Trump's attacks on U.S. Fed chair spark big drops on Wall Street. Trump's comments drove the stock market and the U.S. dollar lower as investors in the U.S. and overseas grew increasingly worried about the economic standing of the U.S. 5. Canada and U.S. stock markets rally as economic uncertainty persists. The only prediction many Wall Street strategists are willing to make is that financial markets will continue to jerk up and down as hopes rise and fall over Trump's trade policies.